Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make cold porcelain clay and I'll show you how to make it. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to never miss the updates. Now let's get started. Mix it well. There should be no lumps. All you have to do is mix and mix and mix. So until you get this type of consistency, you keep on mixing. Now I'll be showing on the screen. Please do take a screenshot of it. That is the measurement I have given for you. How much amount you put the cornstarch, that much amount of glue is needed, and oil and vinegar, and glycerin is optional. I have learned this from Jana Handcraft, Sugar Cafe Charms, and Shrey Archie. You have to knead this until it becomes cool, and you have to get a teardrop shape, and at the last you have to apply some moisturizer and put it onto the top of the clay so that it won't dry, and you have to cover it with a plastic wrapper and have to store it in an airtight container. My channel has now reached 300k views. Thank you so much all of you for that. The cold porcelain clay that you make has to be rest for 24 hours for better results. Here I have a leftover clay of last time. So I'm gonna show you how to add colors, and also I'll be making few clay charms. This is the December month and I'm gonna show you making few clay charms which is related to Christmas. I use acrylic paints or chalk pastels to color my clay. You can use anything, and also the food color. It's December month and it's Christmas time. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.